One thing many people are concerned about is the weather and precipitation. Will it rain and how much? Many times here in Oklahoma, when we think about rains and heavy rains, we think of large reservoirs containing or controlling the excess runoff. While the large reservoirs make the news for controlling flooding, it's many times the small tributaries where that work truly begins. In the United States, there are 11,841 upstream flood control structures to protect small municipalities. Oklahoma has 2,107 of them, more than any other state. The 6 upstream flood control structures in Rogers County protect not only agricultural land in Rogers County, but also in neighboring Mayes County, the city of Pryor lies in Pryor Creek. And without our upstream flood control structures, during intense rains, the city of Pryor would have extensive flooding damage. While we look at upstream flood control structures for a local protection, when you think on the grand scheme of all 11,841 of them, realize they cover a drainage area of over 48,000 square miles with over 320,000 surface acres of water storage capability. Since most people evaluate things by their economic impact, it is estimated that the upstream flood control structures across the United States give an average monetary benefit of $2,396,528,543 annually. One of the unique things of upstream flood control structures is the cooperation amongst so many different participants, from the federal government to the state government to the local government to the local landowner. All have a vested interest and a share in these upstream flood control structures. For more information on upstream flood control structures, contact your local conservation district or the National Watershed Coalition.